we saw in the last class. This class, we will see if area is given and when we have to calculate the other two things, how are we going to do those? Okay, the area will be given to us, and you have to calculate the other things. 1 second. Listen. Yes. So, suppose I have this question. Find the length of the base of a triangle PQR when its area is 30 centimeters square and height is 6 centimeters. Okay. So in this question, I am given the height of the triangle. Okay. And I'm given its area. What I have to find is its base. Okay. Suppose this is my triangle. Okay. This is 6 centimeter. Okay. Base. This is the base. This that I have to calculate. Okay. So in such questions, what we will do is that we can assume the base that is x centimeter. Okay. And we can use the formula of half base into height. Okay. Half 1 by 2, 1 by 2 into base is x into height is 6. Okay, I'll write the formula first. Okay, area equals to half into base into height. Okay, let's put the values. Base is x. Okay, height is how much? 6. All right. Then, and what is the area? 30. Okay. Now calculate, find the value of x.
Now, what do we have to calculate?
The value of x.
Ma'am, base 10.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, even I got 10.
Yeah, got it. Okay. All right. Yes, that is the correct answer. 10 is the answer. Hope all of you are getting 10. Sumi and Abraham. X equals to 10. First, we have cancelled out the things that have been cancelled. Okay. We'll be left with 3. Okay. And X. All right. They are in multiplication. So that becomes 3. Okay. 3x equals 30. Then x equals to 30 divided by 3. Okay. Because we know that we take that down and then cancel. And we will have 10. Okay. Any doubt till here? Okay. Write this down and then we'll go on to another question.
Brilliant, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm going to erase this. Now, in this one, we had to find the the base. Okay, height was given to us. What if the base we are given, but we have to find the height, like in this question. Find height AD of a triangle. AD of a triangle whose area is
Ma'am, is that A, B, or A, B? I didn't understand.
AD. Find the height AD of a triangle whose area is 112 centimeters square and the base is 32 centimeters. Okay, base is 32 centimeter. So assume that let the height be okay. Now we will put the formula area equals to half into base into height. Put the values half into what is my base 32 into height is x, okay, equals to 112. All right, now cancel. Two ones up. Cancel 32. 16. Okay. 16 into
I'm
x.
7.
16 x. Yes, equals to 112. Now we can cancel. X equals to 112 by 16. Cancel and find the answer. Answer is 7 centimeters. Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, I'm going to clear the screen. Now, homework from the exercises. We have 16.2, 6, 16.2, question 3. Okay, please try this out.
I have some
This
doubts.
is totally yes, Anaya.
I had some doubts in 16.2. I was trying them out yesterday, and I wasn't able to get a few questions.
Okay. Okay, so in 16.2. Okay, what is that, Anaya?
The first questions, the first, it's one
Yes, the first one.
question number one, part A, and yeah, part A and B.
Mm-hmm. Yes, part A and B. Okay. So first you find out how many squares are there which are completely inside the triangle. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. I can see 9 of them. Okay, that are completely inside the triangle. Okay. Then see how many are there which are half like inside the which are like half, but I cannot see any which are half. Okay, either they are less than half or more than half. Okay, so then you see how many are less than half and how many are more than half. Okay, um, less than half. Let me see. This is this is more than half, but this is less than half. One, two, three, 4, and 5. 5 are there which are less than half. Okay. So those 5 you can do 5 into 0. Okay. So that will become 0. Then see how many are there which are more than half. Okay. So I have one, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are there which are more than 2. Okay. So do 5 into 1. Okay. Do 9 plus 5 into 1 plus 5 into 0. Okay. And then solve it. All right. B part. I will share the screen with you all, okay, so that you all can get what I'm talking about. One second. These are the questions, okay. So when I said that there are 9 completely boxes which are completely inside the triangle, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay. So 9 we will take as it is. Okay. Then I said that those triangles, those squares which are only less than half inside the triangle. If I look at this one, this is only less than half included. Then this one, less than half. Okay. And this one also less than half. Then this one less than half. Okay. And then this one less than half. I think this one also less than half. Yes. Okay, so they are six, okay, which are less than half. So we'll do 6 into 0, okay? 9 plus 6 into 0 plus. Now we'll see which are more than half. We have this one, this is more than half. Then this one, which is more than half. This one also more than half. And then this one more than half.
Ma'am, this one is also more than half, ma'am.
Yes, this one is also more than half. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 are there which are more than half. So what you can do is 9 plus 6, 6 into 0 plus 5 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 1. Okay. Got it now?
Yes, ma'am, the answer is 14.
Yeah. Now this one, the next one. Let's see how many are there which are totally
1,
inside
2,
the
3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Ma'am, 6.
2, 3, 4, 5,
6.
and 6. Okay. These 6 are totally inside the triangle. Now let's see which of those are there which are very small part is inside the triangle, less than half. This one, less than half we have. This one also, less than half we have. Okay. Then this one also, less than half we have.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, that one?
And this one also,
Yeah.
less than half. Then one also, less than half.
Yeah. That
Okay.
one also.
Then
The one two
which
blocks
one?
above.
This one.
Yes.
Yes, one only. This one only.
Also less than half. Yeah. Then let's see which ones are more than half. So we have this one that is more than half.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then this more than half.
No, ma'am.
This more than
Ma'am,
half.
ma'am, that's exactly half. Ma'am, that's exactly half.
No, it's more
No,
than
no,
half.
it's not exactly half. Look,
Yes, it is.
Not
look
exactly
closely.
half.
It's more than half.
Ma'am, it's exactly half.
It's
More than half. Okay.
Ma'am, it's exactly half.
No, Hendrik, it is. Which one are you talking about?
This one.
Are we talking about? Are you talking about one?
Yes, ma'am, this one only. Yeah.
This one? If I see it like that, then I can see that it is
Ma'am,
exactly
maybe it is
half.
actually half
But
because, ma'am, the two units that normally make it a
I
half,
think
they're the same distance from that.
yes, same distance from that. I can see that now. So let's mark this exactly half. Okay. 1 second. This one exactly half. Okay, we were doing more than half. Let's do more than half. More than half. That one. That one. This one also more than half. Then this one more than half. Okay. Then this one
Ma'am, top
also
one more
more
than
than
half.
half.
Top one more than
Top
half.
one. Yes, yes, yes. Top one also more than half. Okay. So now we will write them. Okay. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are there, which are fully half. Okay. Fully covered inside the triangle. Then we have 1 that is in half.
Into 0.
So we can
6
put
into
1
0.
by 2.
6 plus 1 by 2
Okay.
plus
Plus 6 are there.
6 into
6
0.
are there which are totally which are less than half. So 6 into 0 plus 6 are there which are more than half. So 6 into 1. Okay. Solve this and you get 0.
Ma'am,
6
12 and
into
a
0
half.
becomes 0. 6 into 1 becomes 1. So we will get
Ma'am, 12
6.
and
Yes. 12 and a half. Yes. 12 and a half. 12.5. Okay. Any other doubts, Anna?
Mom, how did it become 12.5?
How did it become 12 and a half? Can you see this green dot? Here, light green dot. That block that box is divided in half. If you see closely. Okay, so that half, which those blocks which are exactly in half, we will take them as half. Okay, not 1 or not 0, but we take them as half. All right. Okay. Then yeah. So do today. You all can do the third question. Okay, this question that you all have to do today. Homework from this exercise. Okay. 16.2, third question. Okay. Now we'll move on to the next topic. That is perimeter of the rectangle. Okay. We move on to the perimeter of the rectangle. Okay. Now, rectangle is a figure that looks like this. Okay. If I talk about what is the speciality of this figure, what is the speciality of this figure? It is that this side is equals to this side. Okay. And this side is equals to this side. Okay. This is known as length. Okay. And breadth. Okay. Length and breadth or width. All right. Now, moving on, in a rectangle, we have opposite sides, okay? The lengths that are same and the widths that are also same. So right now we are going to talk about the perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle. Okay. So the formula that we use to calculate the perimeter of the rectangle
2 into L
is
plus B.
2 into L plus B or L plus W. Okay, the same thing. So why do we do this? Because in the rectangle, we have two lengths and two widths, okay, or two breadths. All right. In a rectangle, two lengths are there, two breadths are there. So we take their sum. We don't add like length plus breadth plus breadth. Okay. We don't do that. We simply add the length and the breadth together and then
Ma'am, because
multiply
in
the
rectangle, the opposite
sum
sides
with.
are equal, ma'am.
Yes, because in rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Okay, so we take their sum and divide by 2. All right. So that is how we find the perimeter of the rectangle.
Ma'am,
Let's
if
try out
we
one
divide
question.
by 2, won't we get
Once you are done by,
uh,
can you repeat that,
if
Abraham?
Ma'am, if we divide by 2, won't we get a smaller answer?
If we divide by 2, will we get a smaller answer? Yes, Abraham. We don't divide it by 2, okay? We multiply it by 2. It will reduce that in half if you divide it by 2, the length, the sum of the length and width. Okay?
I'm writing, ma'am.
And writing? Okay. Suppose I have this question. Find
Ma'am, suppose we want to find a perimeter of a square. We will just multiply by 4, right, ma'am?
yes, Abraham. We multiply it by 4. 4 into side, okay? In centimeters, okay? So this is 20 centimeter. This is 8 centimeter. We have to find out its perimeter. Okay, so we know the perimeter formula of rectangle is what? 2 length into breadth or width. Okay, so 2
Ma'am, the answer is 56 cm.
20 into 8. Oh, sorry.
Me
It's
plus 8,
plus.
ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes. It's plus. Okay.
I have a
2 into
question.
20.
Ma'am, the answer is 56 cm.
Yes. Yes, Abraham.
Ma'am, regarding the perimeter of a square, ma'am, we are doing like when I was smaller, the textbook used to say that just plus L plus L plus B plus B.
Your textbook used to say L plus B plus B. Okay. Okay. Abraham, because it used to say that because when we find the perimeter, we do the sum of all the sides of any um any shape. Okay. But again, it's the same thing. Okay. Length plus width is also correct. Okay. But a more shorter form of it is 2 into length plus width. Okay. It's a more shorter form, but both the same answer you will get. Okay, even if you add the lengths two times and the breadths 2 times, okay, or if you add both of them once and multiply by 2, it's one and the same thing. All right. Okay. Any other doubts? No. Okay. Now, now question can come like this also, just like we did with the area, that sometimes perimeter is given to us, length is given to us. What we have to find is the breadth. Okay, take a look at this question. The perimeter of a rectangle is 40 centimeter and length is 15 centimeter. Find the breadth of the rectangle. We have to find the breadth of the rectangle. What we can do, write the formula, perimeter, 2 length plus breadth. Write down the values that we have. 40 equals to 2. Length is what? 15 plus b. Solve this now.
Ma'am, is B 7.5?
7.5? No, Edric, it's 8.
Ma'am, is it 5?
Your book,
I got
it's
it as
given
5.
8.
Ma'am, it's 5,
Yeah, you
not
got
8.
it as 5. Okay.
Ma'am, why you said 8? Why you said 8?
Okay, then tell me how have you solved it?
Yes,
Because
class 5. I'm also getting 5 centimeter.
5, it's 5. Okay, we will solve and see. Okay. Okay, who's gonna tell me the steps of it? Can you all
Now,
explain?
first you write the formula 2 into 15 plus x equals to 40.
Plus x equals to 40, right?
Then you take the 2 to the other side, that 40 by 2 equals to 15 plus x.
You have taken 2 to the side first.
Sorry, what, ma'am?
15 plus x is equals to 40 by 2.
Yes.
Is that what you've done?
Then 15 plus x
Okay.
equals to 20. No, not 15x, ma'am. 15 plus x.
15 plus x.
Yes.
And then, okay. And then it becomes 2 minus 15.
Yeah. And then x equals to 20 minus 15, which equals to 5 centimeters.
5 centimeters. Okay, then make a correction in your book. It's given 8 centimeters. And I hadn't really tried solving it. What has they given? Okay.
Ma'am, you
So
said
what
the
they
answer
did
is
is,
8 centimeter.
yes, no, answer is
Ma'am,
not 8
because it's
centimeters.
given that the perimeter is 46 centimeter in that. The book did a mistake. It
Yes,
first showed
yes,
the
yes.
perimeter is 40 centimeter, then it
That's
showed
what I just
46.
saw. Yes. It first says in the question the perimeter is 40, then he took the
Ma'am, that's
perimeter
why you said
as
8?
46 and then
That's
solved
why you
it.
said 8? That's why you
Yes,
said
that's why I didn't saw that it's written like 46 is considered in the question.
So this is correct, ma'am?
Okay. This
Ma'am,
is
I think
correct.
5 centimeter.
This is correct. 40 is correct. Yes, 5 centimeter is the right answer. Okay. If it were 46 centimeter, then maybe it would have been 8, the answer. Okay, but this is correct. 5 is correct. Okay. Right. So now basically it's when you are asked to solve for other things like the length, okay, the breadth, we just use the original formula, even if it's area or the perimeter. We take the original formula, then we consider what we don't have as x. We put the values in the formula. Okay, we take the numbers on one side and the variables on one side, and then we solve them. Okay, find the value of x. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll show you the conversion.
Monday, Monday,
Okay.
Monday.
Monday,
Now,
ma'am.
yeah, Monday, yes. So there is this thing that you might have give to might have in the question. Perimeter of a rectangle is 2 meter 84 centimeter. Okay, and the breadth is 30 centimeter, and the breadth is 30 centimeters. So you have to convert it first. Okay, and then we will get to solve it. Okay, so we will discuss it in Monday's class. Okay, right now we'll be having PTM 5 minutes break is there. Okay, y'all can ask your parents to come. Okay, 5 minutes break is there, and after that we'll be starting with the PTM. Okay, right? Okay, then see you all.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am, we can't hear you.
Yes, I was saying that don't just leave the call yet. Okay, in the same meeting we'll be having the PTM. All right. Yes.